Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today our presentation about my country is Netherlands. But before that, I will introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Alif. You can call me Alif. I'm from 9th grade, especially in the class. So I will tell you about table of content. The first is there is interest to the Netherlands. Second, there is why did I choose this country, and third, there is history about this country, and there is a traditional Dutch food, and last is culture in this country. The first is interest to the Netherlands. So the Netherlands is a country located most on Europa continent. The Netherlands is part of the Kingdom of the Netherlands, a constitutional monarch that encompasses all of the European Netherlands and the Caribbean Netherlands. The Netherlands is geography along lying country with approximately 300% of this territory, and 31% of its population, lying below sea level, and 50% of the land is less. So in this country, the popularity is 31%. And then 1 meter about sea level. And why did I choose this country? First is highly developed in pasture and transportation. So Netherlands is highly developed in trucks and transportation. So in here more modern. Now, the Netherlands affect public transportation system like trains, trams, bus, and bicycle. So in here, so many people use bicycle for go to work. Like airport too is one of the business and best in the world. Second, there is the world's best water. So in this country, the water is so good because much of its 30 is below. The Netherlands has become expert in water management, building globality suggests advantage canals and daring a system. The third, there is high education and innovation. So in here, in this country, high education too. Many Dutch universities are ranked globally and offer English taught international program. The country also excellent in research, technology, and sustainable design. Last, there is opportunity and high quality of life. The land is known as a tolerant, safe, and inclusive country. So in this country is so many people is safe. There is no little bit, there is criminal, but a little, and enjoy a high quality of life with robots, healthcare, and social health system. History. First, there is a rebellion against Spain. So Netherlands is rebellion against Spain in That's because the president is uh, in 60 in 60 country, the Netherlands was of part. Spain Emperor under King is the name is Philip II. Many people protest because Spain wanted to improve cons as official religion. So name the king is King Philip II. Why there is a rebellion? Because Spain is ruled in Netherlands and religions issue. Many Dutch people were protest while Spain wanted to improve as official religion and protest because high tax in King Philip II. The high tax because impose heavy tax to finance were in another country. That's why there is a rebellion against Spain. And last, because political reputation. Number two, there is modern Dutch. Why? Because in this country is modern like transportation and the build. Second, there is early and medieval times before 150. Next, go to the traditional Dutch food. First, there is stampot. Stampot there is mix one of vegetables and there is sauce like maybe the taste is good and there is and usually served with smoked sauce. The Stanford use smoked sauce and second there is herring or Holland's New. In this picture you can see that this use fish and that type of herring couch and salt during a special period. And third there is strop waffle. So this I ever try. So the taste is there is a caramel and caramel syrup, and the taste is like crispy. Is very good for me. Plus there is patat fried. In here we use there is a sauce mayonnaise and there is it's like a French style, but this is the traditional Dutch food. And last there is kas or Dutch cheese. In this country is so many cheese. There is spicy cheese. There's spicy cheese and there is so many tests. I I go to the fabric cheese and there is so many like chili cheese and uh, there is waffle cheese and there is caramel cheese. There is so many in here. And last there is a culture. In this country there is three culture. The first there is culinary and eating habits. So in this country so many people is eating because in this country the food is very good. And second there is art and architecture, and last there is lifestyle and transportation. In this country, its lifestyle is so good and the transportation is so modern. That's all, guys. Kultur. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Sorry if I some mistake. I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam. Berapa lah supaya kita kali Allah kita sistematis and basic solution tidak didikas understanding understanding. Sekali mai salam selamat Prophet Muhammad SAW. Yes, today in this morning presentation about best project in there. So this type of project. First, I will tell you about my project in 7th grade, and then my project in 8th grade, then my project in 9th grade, and last is conclusion project. First project in 7th grade, I make a sketch. But before I tell you, I will first sketch. So sketch is a visual programming language created by the Media Lab to help children and beginning learn program again in an easy and fun way. So sketch is a program for noob or newbie. If you want to make a new game, you can learn from scratch first. In Scratch, you don't need to write code like Python or JavaScript. So Scratch is block, drag, and drop. Like puzzle pieces that can comment, for example, moving, speaking, or playing song. The first project in 7th grade, I make a catchy fruit. I don't have the picture, so I will tell you the game. So this game is we play catching fruit. We play with a ball. So we play with balls. There is two. There is fruit and bomb. So we just play right and left. If you get the fruit, you can get plus 1 point. If you get bombs, you minus 1 point. So this game is so simple. That's why I choose this my best project. Okay, my project in grade is I make a UI. So what is UI? UI is user interface. We focus on the visual appearance and user interface with digital product. So UI address is layout design, format of button, text, image, and icon. Example UI is when you open the Tokopedia application, you buy button. Kemudian is UI from Tokopedia. It's a signature green color and the card icon are the result of UI design. And if UX is focused on the user experience and comfort when using a product. The example UX is if the Tokopedia you can find in item quickly. The checkout process is easy. The payment is smooth. That's UX from Tokopedia. Okay, so this my project in this project in Nature is my UI. So this my screen. There is a menu and then my application. And is read Quran application. So in it there is a picture, mouse, and the icon the Quran. This screen is so simple. There is no the menu. And then go to screen 2. In screen 2 there is itu and time. There is Al-Quran and description about Al-Quran. And there is image Al-Quran. The title Al-Quran is displayed at the top and simple yet white italic with italic font. Colors and nuance. The primary color is dark darkness, which is often associated with spiritual and Islamic identity. The text and icons are white, creating a clear, constant, and easy readability. Overall impression is designed with a modern clean and others feel suitable for Islamic learning times, application or dashboard. There information but not overly so maintain a balance between context and setting. So the second itu there is discussion about my application and everything about Al-Quran and there is image of Al-Quran. Let's go to screen 3. In screen 3, there is, you can see the image you submit, so the user device is go about a congregation page or click account. So in here in my application there is the sign up, sign in. First there is Facebook. Second there is with Google, and third there is with Apple account, and last is with your email. So the description is this interface is a vertical screen similar to mobile phone display with a dark green background and a light cream color box in the center. Design is simple, modern, and easy to read. Next, go to another design. First, in there is here you can see there is the date is 9 Ramadan under 44 Hijrah and there's the location Jakarta, Indonesia. And you can see there is a clock like 4:41 and you can see there is Fajar 3 hours 9 minutes left. So you not left to wake up because there is a schedule when Fajar azan, let's go, when Zuhur azan, when Asar azan, Maghrib and Isya. There is a time too. And there is another feature like Al-Quran icon, azan icon, Qiblat icon, nation and all. You can see there is ngaji online. You can see there is start and there is a few watch. And in second screen there is, if you click the Quran icon, you can go to this UI. There is surat. You can see there is Al-Mazah, Al-Asr and Al-Asr. Yes, I choose Al-Asr and there is from basmalah until the last ayat. Yeah. And there is the meaning from the surah. And next, if you click the Qiblat icon, you go to the Qiblat. So if you don't know the where your Qiblat to pray, you can see from this application. So the third icon there is the article. So you can read another Islam article, biography ringkas about Malik bin Anas. And there is biography ringkas about Malik bin, and there is mendirikan country Madinah and so many you can see. And the last screen is zikir. So if you not know the zikir, there is in here zikir after salat, zikir morning, zikir before sleep, and pertama zikir. And we go to my last project in 9th grade. So in 9th grade, this I make modular. I make for application. First is about calculator age, so you can find your age, and about talk to me if you text about, so you can hear your speech from Google. and there is a radio online. This you can hear in your application is like read Al-Quran, Al-Allah. And last application is Kodular Calculator. This uh, hard for me because this last tutorial project. Next is Flutter, is I still make. First is about dashboard Islami. So there is doa screen, zakat, doa salat, and video kajian. And if you go to the doa screen, you can see there is morning and night, home. There is so many. Okay, conclusion is regarding their learning journey from 7 to 9. The first project they create profit experience in develop technology. Okay, and that's all from me. Sorry, ada some mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, today we will do the short interview about SMP IDN. For the first question, please introduce yourself.
Okay, so first, my name is Muhammad Raudi Alif. You can call me Alif. I'm from 9th grade, especially I'm D class. So my hobby in here is design and play football. And now I'm 15 years old.
Okay, how was your IT skill before coming to IDN?
Okay, so before coming in the end, I learned about Scratch first because I already know in 7th grade we learn how to make game in Scratch. So I in home I learn a little bit about Scratch and basic Scratch.
Okay. How was the progress of your ability after coming to IDN?
My ability after come here is upgrade because in here we not just learn IT, we learn about English and dunia, but we focus in IT.
What game that you ever make?
So game I make in here is so many, but I will just one for example is catching fruit in Scratch. So in this game we play with ball. In ball we just play left and right. In here game there is a fruit and bomb. If we get fruit we get 1 point, and if we get bomb we get min 1 point. That's the game I make in here.
Okay. What is your best project in IDN?
Okay, so the best project from 7th grade until 9th grade. The first is 7th grade. I make the Defender game. It's a last project Scratch in 7th grade. For me, this game is hard because so many block and so many bug. In this game, we play tank to defend the tower and so many enemy. There's a level easy, medium, and hard, and there is a boss to make the game is fun. And next in 8th grade I make the best project is UI design. Why? Because this I first time I make UI design. For me is fun, and this project is good because I like design, and this design is so long. And then in 9th grade I make a modular application. Why is best project? Because for me is not easy, and there is so many screen to make and design, and the application is good like calculator.
Okay. What is the interesting experience during study at IDN boarding school?
for me is IDN teaching, programming and teaching. Why? Because IDN teaching is make more connection, and my experience in SMP Islamia is fun. I more get more friend and tell the IT knowledge to 9th grade.
Okay. What is your advice to your junior if they want to join to SMP IDM?
What kata
Advice.
kata-kata
Yeah.
must in here you must focus, because if you not focus, like always play game and play sosmed, your SKL will be late, and if your SKL will be late, you cannot join exam or like programming and teaching, like that.
Okay, for the last question, what is your opinion about IDM?
My opinion is game is good, because in here we just not focus in IT, but focus in Al-Quran too, like Halako, and about the Niyah. Then for me then is good, make my new knowledge in here.
Okay, thank you so much for your attention for the show interview today. Let's close. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.